English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 17.
The tree is a lot taller than the building. The tree is much taller than the building. The tree is a bit taller than the building. The tree is slightly taller than the building.
The palace is much more beautiful than the factory.
The tree is much taller than the house. The mountain is much taller than the hill. The church is slightly taller than the cafe. The window is much wider than the door. The lighthouse is a lot taller than the statue. The castle is slightly bigger than the hotel.
The clock tower is easily the tallest building in the town. The clock tower is by far the tallest building in the town. The clock tower is one of the tallest buildings in the town.
This is by far the most expensive shop in the street.
This tree is by far the tallest. Spain is much warmer than Scotland. Spain is a lot warmer than Scotland. Your house is much more beautiful than mine. The Nile is a bit longer than the Amazon. India is one of the largest countries in Asia. The sea is much colder than the pool. The sea is a lot colder than the pool. This is easily the most expensive hotel in town. The tower is easily the tallest building here. The tower is by far the tallest building here.
Volcano. Mountain range. Glacier. Valley. Rainforest. Waterfall. Cliff. Ocean.
Sharon, the world's largest mountain range, is it the Andes or the Himalayas? The Himalayas are definitely the tallest.
Yes, but the Andes are a lot longer than the Himalayas.
Okay, the Andes then.
Is the world's tallest waterfall Niagara Falls or Corn Falls?
Niagara Falls is one of the tallest.
But I think the Corn Falls is taller. Now, where's the biggest volcano?
In the Pacific Ocean, off the coast of Japan. I read about it recently.
Great! The world's largest glacier, is it in the Arctic or Antarctica?
Antarctica, definitely.
Okay then. Which ocean is bigger? The Pacific or the Atlantic?
The Pacific is much bigger than the Atlantic. I'm sure of that. And here's the last question. Which country has the longer coastline? Canada or Australia? I think it's Australia.
No, Canada is much bigger than Australia, so its coastline must be longer too.
You'd better be right.
End of Lesson 17.